Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around this 2012 Coachman Amara 560/4. It's a fixed bed touring caravan with end bathroom. It's in lovely condition, and I do stress lovely condition. It also comes fitted with a used motor mover, which is pretty much essential for a caravan of this size, I would say. You've got the Elco stabiliser fitted to it, so to help all that snaking and pitching prevention. Barbecue point on the outside, and you've also got power on the outside too. You've got a service locker door to the space under the fixed bed. Inside, absolutely immaculate condition, this caravan, absolutely immaculate. Full size hecky roof light. You've got the lockers at the front there, so there's loads and loads of storage. You notice that you've got the lower cream coloured detailing with the sort of metal finishing strip there. You've got night and fly screens throughout, LED lights, 3 drawers, look for the chest of drawers, absolutely massive storage there. Upholstery is all nice and firm, it's in absolutely lovely condition. Now, to make this into a double bed, you slide the mechanism across from my right across to my left. That makes it into the double bed. Now it's all on struts, so it gives you super easy access to the space beneath those front seats. Upholstery is really firm, really sumptuous. It's super high quality upholstery. All the curtains, etc., all the scatter cushions, absolutely immaculate. Over the kitchen, you've got the useful extractor fan. Takes out the food smells, blows in some essential cool air. Full cooker unit look, no expense spared, all the way down to the bottom. It even benefits the electric hot plate. Sink unit with inset drainer, keeps all the water in one place. People really like that. Feathered, easy to use fridge with fridge compartment, and it's got the silver fronted door. Very smart, very contemporary that looks too. Got the microwave locker cupboard there. Now the locker right in front of us now, that opens and you can actually pop a TV up there, so as you can watch TV in the lounge or in the bedroom area to suit. Analog control, super easy to use. They're nice and high as well, out the way of little children, grandchildren, from altering settings. It's got the gas electric blow heating system via the traditional fire in the middle of the caravan. Mirror, even got an additional window there, look, so no expense spared with this caravan. You've got the wardrobe immediately on the left as a walk through. High quality mattress, massive storage space underneath for all your bits and bobs. Residential style handle to the bathroom on the back. It's a lovely big space. It easily doubles as a nice big changing room. Swivel seat loo, push button electric flush. Storage. Decent sized wash basin. More storage. And you've got your door there to the plastic lined shower, and you've also got the main freestanding table locker storage there too. So it's Coachman Amara 560/4. It's got the motor mover fitted to it. It's in absolutely outstanding condition for its age, and I do mean that. It's absolutely lovely. All the upholstery is nice and firm. It looks like it's brand new. It's super condition. Please come and have a look. You won't be disappointed. It's 01789 763 432. Thank you.